What is up, Papa people? We are going to take a look at Chitty Chatty today. Haven't done this one in about 5, maybe 6 weeks. A lot of stuff has been happening south in the Bradford area, but since we did the bridges the other day, I thought I'd shoot on over to Chitty Chatty and take a look at that area. We're just going to do a quick spin and be about, I don't know, just a few minutes going around, and I'll explain some of the stuff. We're going to do a little in-depth look at the walking paths, getting ready for later in this week when I actually do the video of the walking path. I'm going to actually ride the paths on my bike, or I might run some of it. We'll get some ground stuff. I'm going to do some drone stuff. We'll do both. Anyway, that's what we're going to do. So let's make sure we get into the video. Alright, so we are coming south right now off of Highway 44. You just saw the Chitty Chatty Bridge, which if you didn't see it, we did a video yesterday, or I put it out yesterday about the 4 bridges, and now they're coming along. But I'm not going to go too much in depth to that. If you want to, just click on this icon in the top right if you want to see about the 4 bridges. So this road here is straight in front of us, going left to right is Morris Boulevard. And that's what goes north and south. And then you have Highway 44 here, and this is that intersection right here. So we're facing north right now, and we are gonna turn to the east. You'll be able to see this is actually the Chitty Chatty Bridge, which is connecting the north side of 44 to the south side of 44. This is going to be golf cart bridge only. And then you have all the construction that's going on over here. Some of these are going to be houses. I'm assuming on the east side of the bridge is going to be like a little gas station or service plaza, whatnot. And then you can see everything on Chitty Chatty and what they have accomplished already. They're still building quite a few home sites out here, but I'm not sure why they're not building north toward Highway 44 yet. It seems like they're taking their time and actually building south more rather than up in this area. It's kind of strange to me because before, the villages would fill an area before they would continue with construction into another one, or even selling homes in another area, but that's neither here nor there. Doesn't really matter. So right now we're heading south. You can see Bradford is actually in the top of your map, or top of the screen, I should say. You could see it in the distance. I will be doing another video on that area this week as well. And then I'm highlighting this right now, right around the edge of the trees. This is your walking only path. There's no golf carts allowed on it, walking / cycling only. It goes all along the Chitty Chatty Preserve, which will go down south into Bradford, and then all along the trees. There's a really cool bridge down there. We're doing a video later this week about that, and I'm actually gonna go out and ride it / run it, but that's what that path is there. You can see there's still quite a few home sites that haven't been completed totally, but there are more than what was done before. And that's going to be the quick spin that we're taking around Chitty Chatty. You can go ahead and hit that like and subscribe for us, please. You can also visit the website if you want to see some more of our stuff. It is marked out by pages, so you can kind of sift through, and we'll be updating that as we go. Don't forget, we still have a Facebook page. And now that I've pandered to you, I hope you all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you later this week with a couple more videos.